The new Omicron variant of the coronavirus is keeping U.S. health officials on their toes as we continue learning more about it. Action News Now reporter Danny Maston is live at Butte County Public Health. Danny, what's the difference between this new variant and others we've seen before, like Delta?
Haley, I spoke with a virologist who tells me the difference is the Omicron variant has a unique combination of mutations that may make vaccines less effective. People like Martin Alstrom are keeping a close eye on the Omicron variant.
Cautious about it because it keeps coming up with another strain and another strain and another strain. I see it being something that's going to be happening every year.
But others say they are confident in the steps they have taken to protect themselves and their loved ones.
I'm taking the same precautions I took before. I'm fully vaccinated. I wear a mask when I go in the store. I'm careful around my grandchildren and my husband, but other than that, I do think we're going to see many different variants.
Viruses evolve and mutate. It's sort of what they do, and they do it rapidly. So experts have been predicting that we will continue to see new variants emerge. Some of these new variants will be of concern, others will not be of concern.
Virologist Troy Klein tells me now is not the time to lose one of these and decide to not get a COVID-19 shot.
It's not a reason to let our guard down. It actually should be seen as a reason to be prepared to let our guard up a little stronger when new variants emerge.
So how will current vaccines hold up against the Omicron variant?
The Omicron variant contains several mutations that were present in earlier variants of the virus that did slightly decrease the effectiveness of antibodies. And in the Omicron variant has some additional proteins in the spike protein that aren't well defined yet, but there's some concern that these mutations may further decrease the effectiveness of the antibody response.
Klein does say it is likely the current vaccines will still offer some level of protection, just not as much. Klein tells me we should know more about the Omicron variant within the next week or two once scientists have more time to do the experiments. Live in Chico, Danny Maston, Action News Now coverage you can count on.
Dr. Anthony Fauci said Monday there are no known cases of the Omicron variant in the United States yet.